Guys, the prop firm industry, it is booming like crazy. And here's technically what makes some firms better than others. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. All right, you guys. So we're going to be talking about prop firms, especially this one right here known as Breakout. But you guys are probably thinking, what actually sets top prop firms apart from each other? Well, technically, you guys, top firms differentiate themselves through transparency, real exchange liquidity, fair rules, and flawless payout history. Okay? So technically, many firms are actually using synthetic pricing. They reject traders over technicalities, or they even delay payouts. All right. So Breakout was technically built by crypto veterans. And since launch, it has maintained zero payout delays or denials. All right. So, you guys, if we actually kind of take a look here, you guys will see we got all crypto right here. Okay. So technically, traditional Forex prop firms often rely on synthetic trading models, offering crypto as an add-on via CFDs with wider spreads. They got laggy execution and slippage. So I want you guys to understand that technically Breakout is actually crypto native, as you guys can see right there on the screen, meaning that they do have tighter spreads, they have deeper liquidity, and smoother trading. So you guys are probably thinking, why do they focus only on crypto? That's a great question, all right? Well, Breakout is a 100% crypto-only prop firm. All right. It is purpose built by traders who understand the market's volatility and 24/7 nature. All right. Now, this focus, it allows them to provide tools, support, and infrastructure optimized exclusively for liquid crypto majors rather than juggling multiple assets, right? Or multiple asset classes. Very important you guys understand that. All right. So if you guys do not know, unlike, let's say, firms that operate with simulated trading environments, or let's say artificial pricing, Breakout technically offers access to tier one centralized exchange liquidity. That is very important. So technically, guys, as I mentioned, this results in higher, or let's say tighter spreads, better execution, and a more realistic trading outcome. For who? For me and for you, right? So this technically helps traders such as you enter and exit positions without worrying about fake fills or platform manipulation. So I want you guys to understand, if you take a look here, you can see all the important information, especially doing an evaluation. Okay. You got many different account sizes. All right. We got a total of 5 different ones. You got step 1 and step 2. I want you guys to understand this technically can all be completed in step 1. If you hit the target goal, you're funded. Pretty easy and simple. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, it's about 10%, looks like. Okay. Because 5,000 to 500, 10,000 to 1,000, 25,000 to 2,500, 50,000 to 5, 100,000 to 10,000. Right? You have the daily loss, you have the drawdown, okay? And we've got leverage, and then there is the evaluation fee. All right. So I want you guys to understand the overall payout speed here is impressive. All right. So typically, Breakout does offer on demand daily USDC payouts. Okay. There's no payout cycles or delays. So unlike firms that pay monthly or let's say weekly, Breakout lets you withdraw your earnings anytime, even daily. Now, the platform, you guys, it does have a lot of transparency. Okay, so if we actually take a look here, here's the dashboard. But I want you guys to understand it has built a more clear, trader-friendly rule place, okay, with no hidden profit caps. There's no anti-gambling clauses, no news trading restrictions, and no consistency rules. All right. So technically what you guys see here And you guys can actually keep track of everything on their dashboard. So, for example, we got maximum drawdown, maximum daily loss, right? All this important stuff, all right, which is actually pretty cool. So, they do provide risk management tools. So, traders at Breakout, they benefit from an intuitive dashboard like this with real-time metrics. They have drawdown tracking and evaluation progress. So technically, you guys, the tech stack that is designed to give full visibility into your performance and your risk. And you guys will see right here, payouts going to be easy and simple to do. And they even have that by evaluation: $60, $110, $275, $495 to $9.99. And then we even have the second step too. You guys can see that. Okay, very important. All right, so pretty easy and simple, you guys, for you guys to get started. All right, you definitely do not want to miss out on this. All right, a lot of opportunity. I'm gonna highly recommend you guys check it out. Well, you guys, I gotta be honest. Prop firms, I mean, they provide a great opportunity. I'm sure you definitely agree, right? So, if you will, or if you're interested, check out that link down below in that description, and more importantly, leave a comment because I would like to know. Are you going to be trying this out? Have you tried out a prop firm before? Okay, tell us. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you're updated on when we post our next video. See you around.